Top meat grinders under 100. Number 7. Weston 33 to 1201 watt. Number 8. Pros: metal gear for smooth operational experience. Stainless steel grinder plate. Reverse motor option. Easy to clean. Fast operational speed. Cons: a bit noisy. Heavy and bulky. Number 6. Chefman Choice Cut 550 watts electric meat grinder. Pros: powerful motor. Safety locks for stable operation. Plate and blade are made of stainless steel. Easy to clean. Easy assembling and disassembling process. Cons: plastic body. Low quality metal has been used for grinder head. Number 5. Bbday 350 watts meat grinder. Pros: high operational speed. Attractive design. Good quality motor. Food grade build material. Kubi kit is a free accessory. Cons: not dishwasher safe. Confusing motor power rating. Number 4. Cuisinart MG100 electric meat grinder. Pros: fast speed. Reverse motor motion. Multiple sausage attachment. Easy to clean. Simple operation process. Cons: plastic gear. A bit noisy. Number 3. Aobosi heavy-duty meat grinder. Pros: stainless steel body. Copper-made motor. Dual safety switch included. Control temperature for better output meat quality. Overheat protection system. Cons: not so fast. Not suitable for heavy-duty use. Number 2. Sunmile SMG33 electric meat grinder. Pros: very popular meat grinder. Better operational speed. Ventilation system for motor longevity. Stainless steel coating. Big grinder head. Cons: not good for bones. Plastic small parts and gear. Number 1. Gourmia GMG 525 electric meat grinder. Pros: 3 different blade included. Beautiful design. Reverse motor option. Bonus accessories. Inexpensive. Cons: metal bits may found in output food. Low-grade metal used for grinder head. So, which meat grinder under 100 is suitable for you? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.